this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? How are we all doing, ladies and gentlemen? How are we all doing? I'm so excited today. Why? Because we have another unboxing on the channel, as you can see from my other beautiful camera right here. Now, from the title of the video, you can clearly tell what this is. So today, we're going to be unboxing a brand new gaming keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. Now, for those who don't know, your boy is one of the best creative Fortnite players in my house. Okay,
yes,
so today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of this beautiful keyboard right here, and this is gonna be my very first gaming keyboard. I do have a keyboard already. For those who don't know, maybe from my setup tours, some of you actually have seen my keyboard, which is this one right here. As you can see, it's fully functional. But this is just a normal keyboard with RGB. But this one is more of a professional keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. Now, obviously, I'm gonna tell you guys why I actually got this keyboard and how much it cost and everything. There's gonna be links in the description. Everything, guys, I got you covered because I know that there's a lot of gamers in Kenya and East Africa in general. Voila, ladies and gentlemen, voila. There we go. This is the MSI Vigor, ladies and gentlemen, GK20 gaming keyboard. I'm not sure if you can see from the other camera. Before we continue any further, let's have a look around the box itself, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the Vigor GK20, as I just said, and this is the front of the box. It's from MSI, guys, one of the best companies. So this is how it's looking, and from the back, this is where the entire information of this particular keyboard is at. As you can see here, there's ergonomic keycaps. For those who don't know what that is, basically the keycaps themselves are concave shaped, which makes it more comfortable in typing, you know. And since I'll be gaming, you know, that's a plus, I guess. And then there's colorful display. Basically, you can change the colors, you know, all the good stuff, all that cute stuff. That's what it's called. And then there's the gaming base rubber. This basically helps with the keyboard doesn't really move around when you're gaming, you know, especially games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, where sometimes you could rage and then the keyboard starts moving, or maybe when you're building a 90 or something, you know. And then there's anti-ghosting. You know how it is, guys. You guys know how it is. This is for full gaming capabilities. There's no, you know, it's a full thing. And the keyboard is water resistant, slightly water resistant though. You don't want to drop it in water just to test this theory. But basically, it can take a few spills of water, you know. And there's hotkeys for rapid control. Basically, the keys that you can use to maybe turn on the volume, you know, mute, or maybe change color. It's just easy, basically. There's shortcut keys, if you know what I mean. Here are the specifications. The cable is 1.8 meters, as you can see there, and those are the keyboard dimensions. And basically on the side, that's what it says, MSI keyboard. On this side, that's what it says as well. Yeah, that's basically it, to be honest. That is it. I'd like to give a big shout out to Switch Games, guys. Switch Games, they are the sponsor of these videos. These guys are so amazing. I'm just gonna start by saying that, and also start by saying thank you, because they didn't have to send a keyboard out, but they still did, you know. That shows the support and love for Kenyan gamers. Now, for those who don't know, Switch Games, they actually do PC builds. They build PCs. They provide gaming things such as keyboard, mouse, gaming chairs, you know, LEDs, all this stuff. They actually provide on their site. I'll leave their Instagram and everything in the description. And also, they sell things like keyboards, everything, yani. They also sell PS5, guys. For those who want to pre-order PlayStation 5, you can also pre-order at Switch Games. So they are the sole sponsor of today's video. Boom. I gotta say, bro, this is just, it's awesome. It's just amazing, to be honest. You know, I'm blushing. I don't know why I'm blushing, but for people like us who like tech things, you know, I don't know, bro. It's just, anyway. It's just a keyboard unboxing and I'm already blushing. True gaming, as you can see there. True gaming. Alright, so basically all you get in the box is the keyboard. As you can see over here, this is the keyboard, guys. It just, oh my freaking god. You can already tell that this is an original gaming keyboard. Just from the feel, you know, let me tell you something, guys. Just from, you know, the touch, the feel that I'm getting from this, you can tell that this is an actual, you know, professional keyboard. and it feels like you spent money on this. My other keyboard, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this one was the cheapest one I could find in Jumia. The cheapest keyboard ever, I'm not gonna lie. It has a lot of problems, but it works, so I can't really complain. And it got me from 0 subscribers to 13k, so I'm not gonna complain, but it was time for an upgrade. You can tell that this is a cheap keyboard, you know, you can just tell. I think it went for around 1,000 shillings or so. I think it's probably less than that. You can tell that this is something that it knows. I know Arabic. The keyboard knows that your boy knows Arabic. You can tell here. Ghain, Ain, Fa, Paf, Te, Swad, Vod, Shin. See, bro, all the languages are here. You know, it's just amazing. Let's quickly have a listen. Oh my! I can't wait to run. I have to run one game of Fortnite. You know, just one game. Anyway, the cable also feels like you know, an original thing. As for this one, I'm not. You know, the thing is, with this one, you are getting what you're paying for. That's the thing. This one I get what I pay for. It's not one of the best keyboard, but it gets the job done. But with this one, it's a more professional approach. That's what's happening here. So yeah, we're gonna have to plug this bad boy in, and I'm gonna replace this keyboard, and we're gonna play some games, ladies and gentlemen, with this one. And I'm gonna also show you some features that this keyboard has. You know.
2 hours later.
Look at this, guys. Let me turn off this light, so you can have a full appreciation of this. Look at this. Do you see how beautiful this keyboard is? I'm not sure if you can see through the camera. That's the problem, because the phone is all the way over there. But look at this. Let's quickly open this bubble. Oh, even the things at the back feel legit, bro. You know. Let's take this phone and bring it a bit closer. There's some, you know. Let's quickly remove this. Look at this keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this keyboard, guys. The lighting behind the, you know, keys is way better than the way it is on your screen right now, but I promise you, in real life, it's way better than this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at pulsing, as you can see right now. It's currently pulsing. You know how it is, as you can see. So, and then there's another setting where it's just off. Everything is off. It's now a normal keyboard, and then there's another setting where everything is just on, you know. Bro, this keyboard looks sick. I'm not even making this up. I promise you, this keyboard looks way better in reality than the way it is on your screen right now. I uongo. I uongo. Ingia muongo. Ingia matisha uongo. Anyway, so that was me playing a horror game, ladies and gentlemen. I was gonna play Fortnite, but for some reason the Wi-Fi is just not working, and the ping is just 270 ping. I couldn't play Fortnite. So I started playing a horror game, and then it was just like, no, it was too scary. I can say it with full confidence, it's an amazing keyboard. 100%. I'd recommend it to each and every one of you, for those budget gamers out there. And the cost for this keyboard, guys, it's 5,500. Now, for those who are looking to get into things like Fortnite, Call of Duty, you need the best equipment. Trust me on this. And I'm telling you that this keyboard qualifies. It's one of the best budget keyboards out there. There are keyboards that go for around 20,000, 30,000, and this one, you're getting the quality for what you're paying for. You know, that's what I can say. This is the best quality possible. Now, for everything, guys, I leave the full information in the comments in the description, so you guys can actually go check them out. This is Switch Games Limited. These guys make keyboard, PCs, everything as I've just said. And that camera right there is what I was using to record everything, all the other, you know, scenes that you've seen in the video. So yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more unboxing things, then, you know, follow them on Instagram. That would support the channel also. You know, buy things from them, and then you can probably do more unboxing videos on the channel like this one. So yeah, a massive thanks to Switch Games once again, and also to Kevin, an absolute legend. Check them out, guys. I love all of you. See you guys in the battlegrounds, aka battlefields. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. You guys are awesome. And peace. Peace out, boys.